The Grand Patio 7-piece dining set offers a blend of comfort and style with its swivel rockers that provide a smooth 360-degree rotation and gentle rocking motion. Crafted from a powder-coated steel frame, this set boasts excellent durability and rust resistance, ensuring it withstands the elements while maintaining its elegant appearance. The chairs come equipped with thick, foam-filled cushions covered in solution-dyed polyester fabric, which resists fading, rain, stains, and oil, making them both cozy and easy to maintain. A standout feature is the dining table's hand-brushed faux woodgrain finish, which provides a natural warmth and includes a pre-drilled umbrella hole for added convenience. With a focus on user-friendly assembly, all necessary tools and hardware are included, and the set's safety and durability are assured by meeting American national standards. This dining set is perfect for enjoying outdoor meals, offering a comfortable and relaxing environment with its thoughtfully designed chairs and olefin seat cushions.